Hi, honey. How was school today?
It was good. We learned about dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs? Wow. What did you learn?
They were big and had sharp teeth. What's for dinner?
Oh my goodness. That's a little scary. Let's get you something comforting. How about pasta with butter?
Pasta sounds yummy. Can we make dinosaur shapes with it?
That's a brilliant idea. Let's do it. I'll grab the cookie cutters.
Yay! Can we make a whole bunch of them? Like a giant T-Rex and a speedy velociraptor.
Okay, let's do it. That sounds like so much fun. I'll get the cookie cutters, a giant T-Rex, and a speedy velociraptor it is.
Yippee! Can we use green food coloring to make the dinosaurs look even cooler?
Absolutely. Let's add some green. I'll run to the kitchen and get some food coloring. We can make the most amazing dinosaurs.
Yippee! That's the best idea ever. Can we eat them after we make them?
Absolutely. Let's eat our dinosaur pasta. It's going to be a prehistoric feast.
Yippee! Can we have extra Parmesan cheese to make it look like a volcano?
English. A child excitedly suggests making dinosaur pasta with extra Parmesan cheese to resemble a volcano, prompting the mother's enthusiastic agreement to provide additional ingredients.